Chico. J. Alexander.
Looking crazy, you get about that, but you gonna see all our ass scream about this.
On front, I was taught to keep it wet. If it ain't a glizzy, then you know it's Smith and Wesson. G41, I'm finna smoke it to the face. Gas got them tripping, they even asked if it was lit. Niggas got sticks like a matchbox. I'm in these woods like a Sasquatch. I'm in these trenches with my have-nots. Got a few new toys, but it ain't for no time. Niggas gon' hate on you if they know that they ain't got it. Niggas gon' hate on you if they know they can't obtain. They pillow talking, but I didn't caught the new chain. From 7, I swear we ain't smoking the same. I caught the 7 and then I jumped off in the game. Then I caught the half cause I had to go and maintain. So my body don't rock to me long sleeve. What the fuck will I be if it wasn't for the tree? What the fuck will I be if it wasn't for the tree? Cause spin the shit and then I get it back. My life I don't but my shit really in rap. All that flexing, man, I know you jibby cap. Bet it all on me, I bet I make it happen. Practice 7 days a week, it ain't no slack. I'ma pull up on your fast and I'ma serve you. If you just pump faking, then I'm just gon' swerve you. And you smoking on that
Fuck he is ready to strike. Girl, ready to do the last.
If I don't know you, I'm pull up and stuff like Erskine. Spinning the game since I had real purpose. My little angel, she also like the nurture. Put in work, cause you know I gotta get jumping the board, that's on something just like a surface. Work at you just like a little chillin' with son. Swear that he gon' be a dun. Try to make a nigga walk around doing fun. That's the thing, my life like a movie. I'm trying to go flip something. I'm a real nigga, I never switch on. I'm out with you when we blitz on. Seen too many times niggas get jailed that they snitching on. Damn, I'm supposed to be home. Hard to tell who real or phony. Had a dream the world was mine. I'm in competition with myself. I ain't even got a phone. Cut the traction off and hit the gas so I can do it. Run this shit up till I can't no more. It ain't no fucking slower. Run this shit up till I can't no more. It ain't no fucking slower. Cut the traction off and hit the gas so I can do it. Don't run this shit up till I can't no more. It ain't no fucking slower. On front, I was taught to keep a weapon. If it ain't a glizzy, then you know it's Smith and Wesson. G41, I'm finna smoke it to the face. Gas got them tripping, they even asked if it was lace. Niggas got sticks like a matchbox. I'm in these woods like a Sasquatch. I'm in these trenches with the have-nots. Caught a few new toys, but it ain't for no tots.
People sit there for a while, make sure he dead, they gonna shut shots off.
I used to be flying the truck like I was Venus. Dope boy Reeds and Dickies, I was the cleanest. Had some close friends who switched up like the seasons. Flow shit, man, I still can't even believe it. Walked away from the trap, but I couldn't leave it. Ain't a blind singer, but they still gon' call me Stevie. Got them racks, but I still eat beanie weenies. Got them racks, but I still eat beanie weenies. Got the pack and it's gone in 60 seconds. I walk off in the room, I just hug me and it's a blessing. Gotta eat like Thanksgiving, I eat it with no dressing. Strapped her with that Uzi and it's built like Mac 11. Making moves by myself, cause these niggas tellin'. Gotta keep my guard, cause these niggas, they get jealous. Sliding with my lady in my jet, I'm feeling zealous. Roll me up a 7 when I'm chillin' with the fellas. How I'm supposed to feel when I know a nigga hate. Coming at you sideways, they deceiving just like Satan. I've been on them 40s, now I used to like them dating. Used to rock them gloves, now I smoke on Gary Payton. Yeah, I talk my shit cause I really came up from Nathan. Yeah, I talk my shit cause I really came up from nothing. They say you 32 but you ain't even buzzing. But I got more money than your mammy and your cousins. I used to be flying the truck like I was Venus. Dope boy Reeds and Dickies, I was the cleanest. Had some close friends who switched up like the seasons. Flow shit, man, I still can't even believe it. Walked away from the trap, but I couldn't leave it. I ain't a blind singer, but they still gon' call me Stevie. Got them racks, but I still eat beanie weenies. Got them racks, but I still eat beanie weenies. On front, I was taught to keep a weapon. If it ain't a glizzy, then you know it's Smith and Wesson. G41, I'm finna smoke it to the face. Gas got them tripping, they even asked if it was lace. Niggas got sticks like a matchbox. I'm in these woods like a Sasquatch. I'm in these trenches with the have-nots. Caught a few new toys, but it ain't for no tots. Niggas gon' hate on you if they know that they ain't got it. Niggas gon' hate on you if they know they can't obtain it. They pillow talking, but I didn't caught the new chain. Roll up a 7, I swore we ain't smoking the same. I caught the 7 and then I jumped off in the game. Then I caught the half cause I had to go and maintain it. Tats on my body.